Okay, so this was the solution which was pending in our Zoom meeting video. Okay, so we will go further. Now it is cut by, so we have seen the condition for section line, right? It is tilted numerical, and we got we have solved up to this. Okay, now next, this top face is completely removed, so we cannot see this part. So this is also removed. But I will maintain this point for because I have to take projections there. So this is not totally removed. It is because if you see here, you can see only E to P5. This line is removed. This is a hidden line. Okay. This line also to here. I'm maintaining this point, but I don't need to take projections of this. So what I've done here, I have done one vertical line and one 45-degree inclined line. Okay, I will take projections of these points. I will take projections of the base points first. Okay, so base point is A, then B, E. Okay, and this CD is already there. If you see here, this is our 3D model. This is after cutting. Yeah, I will show it again. So initially, initially it was like this. Okay, suppose I want to show this complete part. So this was your initial view. Then we have rotated. Okay, do it again. Top. So this is we have rotated. This is after cutting, and then we are tilting. So your object is like this, somewhat. Okay, exactly. And then we are tilting it. Okay. So now you can see here. You compare this with our solution. You come to know it is looking exactly same. Okay. So that was your 3D model, which is cutted. See, you can see this A, B, C, BC is hidden, CD is hidden, DE is hidden. So A, B, C. So these are points are hidden. See, this is C and D. This is your C. This is D. So C, D, D, E, D4, D to P4 actually. C to P3. So these are hidden. So we have to draw on a side view because in the question if you see here, draw front view, sectional top view and profile view. Profile view means side view. Okay, so this is your front view. This is sectional top view. Now we are drawing side view. So we are taking projections from front view here. Okay, now we have to take projections from top view. I have to take projections of the base point. So in front view I have taken, now for top view again I am taking on this 45-degree line. So A I have taken, then B, then C, then D, extending this, then E. Okay. Do not take all projections together. It will create confusion. And then project them upwards. So right now I'm just uh, making them up to this line. So before that, I will trim this line so that I will not get confused. I will not get any interference. Okay, so this points will come up to here, and then here to here, then here this. Okay, then this also I will project because anyhow we require this, and your points are on this P1, P2, P3, P4 on this lines only, A, B, C, D, E. So now I will project points here. So A. Now listen carefully. This A's horizontal is this, and A's vertical is what? This. Okay. So your A should come here at this point where my center of the cursor is there. So copy this A and paste in here. This you have to do manually. I'm doing an AutoCAD dash and I see the B. B is at the rightmost and second line. Then C. C, where is C? C is at XY. This is C, then D. D is also at XY. Then E. Okay, A, B, C, D, E have taken. And now if you're looking from here, see this is a shown direction of the wheel. If you're looking from here, you can see this bottom face completely. So this bottom face I can make dark. A to B, B to C, C to D, D to E, and E to A. Yes, I think there is a mistake here. B to C, C to D, D to E, and E to A. Okay. Now these all points. Now your P1, P2, P3 will be on this line. Okay. See, P is where above E. P1 is where above A. So your P1 is above A line. P1 will be here. Okay. So I will be copy points. I will copy these points here. Let's see. Controls. P1 is here. P2 is here. P3 is here. P4. P4 is on D. P5 is on E. Okay, so you have got completely separate points. Now you have this horizontal section line is horizontal or parallel to the HP. So that's why you cannot see hatching part or section part here. Okay, if it is inclined, then you could have been seen the hatched part. Okay, this section, as you can see the section view here. If this line could have been inclined like this, then you could have been seeing it here. Okay, so this line should get joined. This will also get joined. P to 2, then D. First of all, outer periphery should be dark as usual. And if you see here, you are looking from here, so you can see A to P1 line. Okay, you are looking in the direction of this arrow. Okay, means you are looking here, here, here. So you can see this A to P1 line completely. I will put this arrow here. So A1 line should be dark. Okay, and you cannot see this back line C to P3 and D to P4. So these all should be dark, hidden. So then I will choose. So D to P4 and C to P3. D to P4 and C to P3. I want to increase spacing between. I have to reduce the spacing between. So this is my side view. Okay. So this ends my solution. There is nothing here at the top, so I have not drawn. You can draw. Uh, you want, you can draw also. But that should not be visible. That should be light like